Some homes get cleaned in bursts. Others never seem to get messy in the first place. The difference isn't energy or discipline, it's design. Quiet behavioral design built into daily life. In many Japanese homes, cleanliness isn't an event you schedule. It's a side effect of how small actions are arranged. It never feels like work, but mess never gets a head start. These aren't cleaning hacks. They're patterns that lower friction and shrink the decisions that create clutter. 10 quiet habits. 1. The one-touch rule. When an action ends, the object goes back where it lives, right away. The jacket isn't off until it's on the hook. The cup isn't done until it's rinsed. You close the open loops that keep tugging at your mind. Nothing lingers in that in-between state that becomes tomorrow's pile. 2. The boundary at the door. Shoes come off, outdoor dust stays behind. Even without an entry step, a mat and a shoe spot recreate it. Floors stay cleaner longer, and crossing in becomes deliberate. 3. Ownership with a purpose. Your things aren't neutral, they're responsibilities. Before something enters, ask, where will this live, and what will it do? No good answer, it doesn't come in. Fewer homeless objects drifting from surface to surface. 4. Maintenance in tiny intervals. Wipe the counter while the water boils. Rinse the sink after use. Each takes under a minute, but together they stop buildup before it starts. You're not starting to clean, you're extending what you already do by seconds. 5. Everything has an address. A specific drawer, hook, or shelf everyone knows as home. Putting things away stops being a decision and becomes a single movement. Clear addresses erase the friction that leaves things out. 6. Use the height of the room. Walls aren't backgrounds, they're storage. Hooks, shelves, hanging organizers. Lift things off the floor and surfaces. Cleaning gets easier and the room feels bigger. 7. Reset the kitchen as you move. Cooking and cleaning are braided together. While it simmers, rinse the utensils, wipe the spills. By the time the meal's done, the kitchen is nearly back to where it started. 8. Scheduled resets, not emergency cleanups. Predictable sessions, monthly, seasonally, where clutter gets reviewed before it quietly builds for years. A reset feels like renewal, a fresh start. 9. Protect your empty surfaces. Clear counters give your eyes somewhere to rest and make wiping take seconds. When a surface holds a few chosen things, anything random stands out, easy to correct. 10. Keep less, but keep well. Not cutting for its own sake, alignment. What you use, love, or find meaningful stays. Fewer things, fewer decisions, more clarity. Before you bring something new home, picture where it'll live. A tidy home never comes from motivation. It comes from systems that make disorder inconvenient and order effortless. You don't need all 10. Even one starts to change how your space behaves. So, tell me in the comments, which one is you? And if you want Japanese self-care habits that actually work, watch this one next.